What do you think, buddy? What's wrong? Can't get your mouth on it, can you? Just like the video. That is hilarious. I sense the Jolly Ball will not be a toy that's allowed to be left out all the time because it'll drive him crazy. What's wrong? Huh? Woo! Uh-oh. Get a mouthful of dirt? Did you get a mouthful of dirt, little boy?